Hi folks, this is Harvey at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, California. I'm going to introduce today a 114 Breakout. As you can see, it has S&S exhaust. We've got a super fat rear tire. Beautiful bike. This is just the way the customer traded it in. You can see that he took great care of this bike. We did the service on this. We safetied it, changed the oil. Look at these wheels. These are just, this is a work of art, this bike. .114 M8. Monster, absolutely a monster motor. Under 5,000 miles, this bike, you can see upgraded headlight. This bike is absolutely stellar. Excellent condition. Keep in mind, I'm shooting this with my iPhone, so the picture's quality is not the greatest, but I don't claim to be a photographer. You really should come down and look at this bike to appreciate it.